So testing. All right. Yo. All right, good. So rule number one. Look what happened to gold. So for gold, as you can see, every time it went down, this is like every time it breaks a gold buy, because we're in strong buys, it goes to the next high, basically. So like look, as you can see, gold, it came back down. The structure was nasty, so you probably won't even want to enter this. Like, in all honesty, but this probably was a good one right here. It came down, you could have bought around here and throw the stop loss down here. And look, it never hit stop loss because this was the lowest low of this high. And then look, but it can still go down. I'm not too sure. But so usually I'll wait for the 4 hour one. I would want it to come back down here again. But knowing gold, it could just keep going up. Gold can just keep going up though. Mm, gold can just keep going up. Look at silver. So gold can just keep going up. Or it could have a bigger drop right here. But it did. Like I said, gold can come down to here and come back up. We never know. I said gold is in such a huge drop. So I would try to wait for gold. Me, I will wait for gold. But that's not even what's ready. Like I said, 30 is ready. 30 is ready. 30 is ready to go. And if it doesn't break here, it should break. But like I said, the market, you can never tell. Anything above here usually go to here. I was in the here, came back, boom. Think about it. This was the low, to be honest, of the new low. So it came here. This was the new low before it broke here. But once it broke this, you kind of seen it. So came back above here, boom, came back above here, put the stop. This was a L. So basically, once it, I did I catch a L? I think I went no, I went break even on this because I just held, and then I just wanted to go break even because it went super below stop loss, like Nas. But sometimes, like I said, it could wait. Like Nas, this is the stop loss right here because this is when it start making new highs. So I wanted to re-enter, but you see how I just go like this wicked, and then it just pop up. So sometimes, like I said, market can be pretty all the time, but this is another buy area right here. There's another buy area. So like I said, I went break even. Was good, was good. I went break even from the fact the stop loss was just so damn low. Like, was good, my boy. So I just went break even on 30 and Nas today because so I'm still at 107. But I did enter GJ's. So hopefully GJ's could let me finish this challenge. Cause I went break even. So look, on Sunday, I was down like 2,000. But I once I seen it respect here, I said, okay, I'm gonna just go break even because I still don't know if it's gonna go lower. So I went break even for Nas. Then crazy thing is I entered 30 down here. I think I exit this 30, but this one I re-entered, and then when it came down and came back up, I just went break even, and then it's still going in profit. It's like I said, it's still going my way. Yeah, it's still going my way, but I just don't like this range in motion. So I'm gonna just wait till either it drop or go. So I'm not even going to like trade this no more. I'm more on GJ right now. So I'm in GJ's right now. Hopefully I could get more entries by tomorrow. I need one more entry because I'm up like right here. I'm up like probably like 600. I need like 3,000. Maybe if I could get one more entry going up, I could just be finished with this challenge. Oh, you seen gold? Yeah. You see, yeah, like this joint went right to break even. So I said, yeah, let me exit. I don't like. I think it's still gonna go up. It's just the fact I was so deep in stop loss. I didn't. You know, I'm gonna tell the honest truth. I was so deep in stop loss. I was like, man, it didn't make me feel good because my stop loss was like right here, to be honest. But it went down, and I seen it kind of respect it. But I'm like, bro, once it come back, I'm gonna just go break even. Even with Nas, like when Nas opened, I just looked at it. I was down like 2,000. I said, fuck. The only way I kept in this joint because I seen on MetaTrader, they have a gap on Nas. They had a gap on Nas. So I knew it had to do some type of retracement. So I was like, bro, Nas gonna retrace. Even if it do want to drop back, like say Nas even want to drop. I said Nas is gonna have to break high hard. Like I might buy Nas if it break high here tomorrow. I really might buy Nas again. I ain't gonna mess with 30. 30 just look nasty. Yeah, that's what happened for Nas. So I was down a lot. I said, damn. Cause I was just gonna exit. But I'm like, bro, it's a big ass gap. I'm gonna let the gap fill. I fell asleep. And then it was like near break even. So I'm like, man, let me just put it at break even. And then bada bing, bada boom. But look at gold. Let me take off this. I don't want to enter gold right now, though. Gold, this would have been a good entry right here. But I think it's gonna come back down one more time. If it come back down, don't break this low and come back up, I'ma just enter. But I just don't like the I hate the lot size for the fucking MetaTrader. I just do. Gold look, I'ma wait a little bit. I don't want gold to break here, though. I don't. But gold is still respecting an uptrend, but I'm a wait because it did a nice retracement. Like, look, it did a nice retracement because it came back where it broke out at right here. It came out, so it did a nice retracement. So I'm really waiting for gold just to play around a little bit. Like if it could come down here and don't break lows, and you can even say this is a low in like the daily. Yeah, the jump dropped so hard. So I'm never going. I was going enter, but I'm like, bro, how hard this drop? I'm gonna make it respect this support before I even buy off this gold, my gold areas. So I didn't enter. I said it, but you never know. It could just gold can just go up. You don't know what gold don't really got a structure to me. It's just going up. So gold can just go up, but right now, I just want to. If it respect this area clean, I'm gonna just buy. I'm gonna just play the safe side. Nas, like I said, I'm gonna buy one more time right here because if it buys above here, I'm gonna just buy. And if it comes here, it might break. Hopefully it can break. Hopefully it could break, so I could get like a second challenge. I wanted it to break when I get a second challenge. Just buy, break. 30 just look disgusting. I don't want to trade it no more. Granted, I could have bought here again, but like I said, the stop loss, I just got out of this. So the stop loss was just my main concern of getting out. Cause this is a good setup, low key. Cause you'd have bought here, stop loss down here, and then boom, and at least hit your TP. So you either just went break even or keep holding, buy another one, right? I would have bought another one, boom, and then let it hit here, and then let it. You can low key, you can just buy another one right here too. Because it's at the point where if it does come down, if it come below here, it's just not going up. Because it's just ranging, but I just don't like how the market conditions look. So I'm not touching it. I'm not touching that. I touch Nas though. Nas look way cleaner. Like it looks the same, but Nas just look more clean. Like at least Nas showing somewhat structure. I don't like how 30 just it just look like it's ranging. Like it's just ranging. Gold. We gonna wait for gold. I know you don't cherry GJ, but look at bro. GJ is so clean. Like look at bro. Look how smooth it is. I remember made some bands off these entries off the first week, like 2 weeks ago. Um, kind of like 2 weeks, like 10 days ago. So and I just entered twice today. Oh, if it does come down, I'm not gonna be mad. But if it breaks back up, I'm gonna just buy. Um, it can go down. It can go down. I am trading on like a longer time frame. Like I'm trading on the daily. So, but look how it's respecting support though. It's respecting it so clean. Like, and it broke my gold zone. So I'm like, okay, when they respect, this is like one of my favorites. Like when they respect daily supports and then you break your gold bars. Yeah, I'm in two bars right now. Eh, I'm in two bars right now. I might buy again, but I, like I said, for GJ, hopefully I could just win. I ain't gonna lie, like I could just hopefully I could just get all my money, my 10K, and then I'll be good. Cause I'm trying to. I ain't gonna say I'm trying to rush the challenge, but it's like I ain't really been taking it to. Like I've just been taking it day by day. Cause some setups don't even be around. Like the only setup I'm gonna probably trade this week is Nas. I'm gonna leave GJ for where it is. Cause GJ, remember, I ain't touch all last week. I waited till it dropped back down. And then now I'm in buys this week. Like US30. What the hell paid me? Fucking Nas. Yeah, Nas paid me. Now I gotta drop back down. And then I could buy right here 30. I'm gonna just keep it silent. And then yeah. Who you at your challenge though? I'm at like 107. I lost one time. I was upset. I said, damn, nigga lost. Avocado. Yeah, avocado good as hell. But yeah, I ain't anything else I can mark up, but I ain't gonna do too much marking up today. Like I said, I just be making stuff you could just buy. Bought right here. I see Netflix. Netflix still. I think Netflix still dropping. Netflix just dropping like a motherfucker. This is some long term shit though. You can buy another one right here with a board here. With a board here, it just would have been negative if you buy long term. Let's see some stocks though. Look at some stocks. Let's see what Tesla doing. What's Tesla talking about? Tesla almost made new high. Damn. Yeah, I'm just trying to get. Yeah, I ain't got my real account. Once I took out my money off that jump, I'm gonna add to my real account though. I really want to pass the funding so I could just keep funding my real account. But this not. It's been going smooth though. I'm like 2-1. Really 3,000, 5,000. Lost the extra 1,000. So I'm not even too mad off the challenge. I'm gonna just pass this shit. Just keep funding my account. Yeah, just look for a good setup. Yeah, just look for a good setup. You be straight. I don't really see no good setup. Like in all honesty, the only good setup I see is GJ. Like even Nas, I might not even trade it. I might just let GJ just take over for this week. I'm gonna just get GJ and then just hold it. Hopefully I get to, well, how most likely I get 10K. Like right here, look, Tesla went up. What a bought right here. You see, it's so simple. Boom, comes up. Wait till it break highs again. You gotta wait till here. You could have bought. Yeah, bought right here. Never even hit like. Damn, that shit smooth. Hmm. Tesla. Tesla look nice. I seen a video. What the video talking about? All right, the video been at a standstill. Okay. Still, it's still long, nice long term buys though. Let's see. It's not really breaking lows. I like this bar. I really do. For Nvidia, I like the bars. Let's see. Apple. I ain't really. I wouldn't just touch that. Let's see Amazon. Look at Amazon coming back up to half. Like I said, so easy. Sometimes you just gotta play. Like the market is not hard. It's just you really gotta wait. That's why I said, like, I don't know. I can't scout no more. Like, if you just learn patience, it's like you know where every market is going. Like, some days I just couldn't trade GJ because GJ is going down. You don't have to trade the downtrend. Just trade the thing that's going to make you money. Like, if it's down for the week, just don't trade it for the week. You know, they be like, try to know it. Just if you know it's in an uptrend, just wait till it goes up. That's it. And that's all I got for this week, man. I'm mad it's a little 16 minute. I want to talk about more topics. I'm starting to post way more on TikTok. I'm gonna start posting daily on TikTok. Starting Wednesday, I'm starting to make videos. Maybe I could get some videos from here. And yeah. So TikTok, yeah, and hopefully we gonna get stuff cracking, man. And I feel like I could grow on TikTok. I ain't even been posting too much, but you know, it's more friendly. Like you get more comments, you get more likes up there. They communicate more than any other social media, and that's why TikTok is fire. But I'm out of here, man. Like I said, I'm gonna do this live a little longer tomorrow, and we gonna share some love for TikTok. So peace.